Namaste children, welcome to today's class. Today we are going to discuss the 13th chapter, ways to multiply and divide. In this chapter we are going to discuss about different ways to multiply and divide in the form of some stories. Here we have a small story about Maniratnam. Maniratnam the cashier. Maniratnam is the cashier of King Jayan. His job is to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. This chart shows how much salary each person gets in a day. So Maniratnam, who is Maniratnam? Maniratnam is the cashier and he is working in the King Jayan courtyard. So his job is, what is his job, children? So he has to find out the salary of all the people who work for the king. So he made a chart which represents the salary of each person per day. Person and salary in a day. Minister's salary is 195 rupees in a day. Horse rider, his salary is 76 rupees per day. Cook, his salary is 65 rupees per day. So now Maniratnam, what is his work? He has to make the salaries. He has to find out the salary of all the people who will work for the king. So like this he made one, Maniratnam wanted to calculate the salary of the cook for the month of January. So he wanted to calculate the salary of cook. What is the salary of cook per day? It is 65 rupees. And he wanted to calculate that salary for the month of January. So he wrote like this. It is, see here, in this way he wrote and he found the salary, how much he has to pay to the cook for the month of January. So Maniratnam, he found the salary of the cook in this method. This is one method. How he did that? So he splitted the salary of cook per day, which is 65 rupees, as 60 and 5, 60 plus 5. And for the month of January, we know January month has 31 days. The 31 days he wrote like this, 30 and 1. So he multiplied that, multiplication. This is one method. So what he did, he multiplied that 60 rupees per 30 days. 60 into 30, it is 1800. Then he multiplied the remaining 5 rupees for 30 days, it is 150 rupees he got. Then finally, for one day, that is 60 rupees. 60 into 1 is 60. And 5 into 1, it is 5 rupees. So what he did, he split the numbers. That is 65 as 60 and 5, 31 as 30 and 1. And he multiplied and he got the products as 1800, 150, 60 and 5. So now what is the total salary of the cook for the month of January? What to do, children? Yes, we have to add 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 5, 5. Now 0 plus 5, 5, 5 plus 6, 11. Keep 1 here and 1 here. So 8 plus 1, 9, 9 plus 1, 10. So keep 0 under 1 and 1 is under thousands place. Now 1 plus 1 it is 2. So 2015 rupees is the salary of cook for the month of January. So he multiplied, he found that salary, that is by multiplication. He has done in this method. So that method has seen by Maniratnam's daughter Bela, and she also found, she learned another method. What is that another method? What she learned? She learned another method of finding the salary of cook for the month of January, and she shared that with her brother Banu. Now what she did, which method she applied, now we'll discuss. So Bela's method. So she wrote 65 into 31. 65 is the salary of cook per day. 31 is number of days in the month of January. Now what she did, instead of splitting the two numbers, here Maniratna split the two numbers 65 and 31. Here instead of splitting the two numbers, she split the only one number, that is 31, down number. 31 as 30 and 1. 31 can be written as what? 30 plus 1. So she did, she multiplied with 30 and she multiplied with 1, then both the products she added and she got the same amount as the salary of cook. Now how she did 65 into 31. First step, she multiplied 65 with 1 as 31 is 30 plus 1. 65 into 1. Then the second one 65 into 30, this other number 30. Now when we multiply 65 with 1, any number is multiplied with 1, we get the same number. Therefore 65 into 1 is 65. Now 65 into 30. 65 into 30. So multiply 65 and 3. Keep 0. 30 is having 1 0. That 0 you keep under 1's place, that is 5. Now multiply 65 with 3. She kept 0 under 5. Now she multiplied 65 with 3. 65 with 3. So how 3 5s are 15. 1 is there. On 3 6 are 18 plus 1 19. 1950 she got. Two products. Now she added both the products. So it is 5 plus 0 5. 6 plus 5 11. Keep 1 here and here it is 1. 9 plus 1 10. So keep 1 here and 0 is here. 1 plus 1 it is 2. So how much we got? Same 2015 rupees only. So this is Bela's method and it is Maniratnam's method. Maniratnam he splitted the numbers of both the numbers, multiplier and multiplicand. Whereas Bela she split the only one number and she multiplied, she got the same answer. So with this, Banu was impressed and he is trying to do some of his own calculations like finding the salary of minister or finding the salary of, it is the horse rider. Now Banu was impressed by his sister Bela and he is trying to find the salary of minister for the month of January. So he was impressed and he is trying to find the salary of minister for the month of January. As we know, what is the salary of minister per day? It is rupees 195 and January month has 31 days. So he has to multiply 195 with 31. So he applied the Bela's method and he found like this 195 into 31. So 31 can be written as what? 30 plus 1. 31 is split as 30 plus 1. So the first step 195 is multiplied with 1. Second step is 195 is multiplied with the second number, that is 30. So what we get 195 when we multiply with 1? The same number, it is 195. Now while multiplying with 195 with 30, so 0 will be placed under the 5, that is 1's place visit. Then multiply 195 with 3. 3 5s are 15. 5 is kept here and 1 is left. 3 9s are 27 plus 1 28. 2 is there and 3 1s are 3. 3 plus 2 it is 5. Now how much it is? By adding this we get 5. 9 plus 5 it is 14. 1 plus 8 9. 9 plus 1 it is 10 and keep here it is 1. 1 and 0 10. 5 plus 1 6. 6,045 rupees is the salary of minister. Like this, Bela's brother Banu, he found the salary of the minister for the month of January. So like this, so far here we discussed two methods. That is Maniratnam's method, where he splitted the two numbers and he found the products, then he added. Here she splits only one number and she found the products, two products, and the two products are added. We got the product. So now with this knowledge, we will discuss some of the questions from practice time, in the form of practices. So use Bela's method to multiply these numbers. A. 32 into 46. B. 67 into 18. 67 into 18. Now how to find this using the Bela's method? So 32 right here into 46. So 46, what we can write? 40 plus 6. 46 is written as 40 plus 6. So 32 first it is multiplied with 6 and again 32 is multiplied with 40. Then both the products are added. So 32 when we multiply with 6, what we get? 6 2s are 12, keep 2 here, and 1 is there. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 1 it is 19. 192. Then multiply with 40. Here 0 is there. Keep 0 under 1's place. Then 4. 4 2s are 8. 4 3s are 12. 1280. Now add both the products. 2 plus 0 it is 2. 9 plus 8 it is 17. 1 with 7. 17. 7 you write under 8 and 1 you write under 2. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 1 is 4 and it is 1. 1472. So like this we will multiply 32 and 46 using Bela's method. Now see the B bit here, it is 67 into 18. 67 into 18. So 67 is multiplied with 18. 67 is multiplied with 18. So how we have to multiply? Yes. 67 is multiplied with 8 and 67 is multiplied with 10. Why? 18 can be written as what it is? 18 is 10 plus 8. So multiply with 8, then multiply with 10. So now multiply with 8. 8 7s are 56. Write 6 here and 5 is there. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 5 53. 536. Then with 10, 0 is there, keep 0 under 6. Now multiply 67 with 1. We get the same number, 67. Now add both the products. So how much we get? 6 plus 0 it is 6. 3 plus 7, 10. Keep 1 here and 0 here. 5 plus 6, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. 1206 is the product of 67 into 18. Like this, you also try to find the products of the numbers given in page number 171, question number 2. So that you can do, you can practice in the Bela's method. Is it clear, children? Yes, once again, in Bela's method what we found? We found this number is split into two numbers and multiplied, we will get the two products. The two products are added. Is it clear, children? Now about cook. Shantaram, a special cook. Shantaram is a special cook. He comes only on party days. So when there is a function or there is a party, he was called for preparing the food. Last year he was called for only 28 days. Who is Shantaram? He is a cook, a special cook. And he will come only on party days. So last year he was called only for 28 days. How many days? 28 days. For each day he has to be paid rupees 165. So what is his salary? Per each day it is just rupees 165. For each day he is paid 165 rupees. Find out how much money he will get all. So for the 28 days, how much money you will get? Yes, what to do children here? Yes, it is multiplication. So here we have to do the multiplication to find the total amount of the salary which he will receive. Santaram will receive for 28 days. So what is the salary per one day? It is 165 rupees. So 165 rupees is multiplied with what? 28. 165 rupees is multiplied with the number of days 28. So how he multiplied? So here we will use the Bayes' method, 165 into 28. Now what we will do? 28 will be split as 20 and 8. 20 plus 8. Now multiply 165 with 8 and 165 with 20. So multiply 165 with 8. So what we get? 8 5s are 40. Keep 0 here and 4 left. 8 6 are 48. 48 plus 4 52. 2 you keep here and 5 is left. 8 ones are 8. 8 plus 5 13. 13 20. Then multiply 165 with 20. So 20 0 is there. Keep 0 under here. So 165 into 2. Now multiply with 2. 2 5s are 10. 1 is there. 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 1 13. And still 1 is there. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3. Now add 0. 2, 3 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 3, it is, 1 plus 3, it is 4. How much it is? 4,620 rupees you will be paying for the 28 days. So how much will be paid for 28 days? 4,620 rupees. So Santaram will be paid, he will be paid rupees 4,620 for 28 days. Clear children? Like this we multiply. Now second question. If he is called for all days of the year, not 28 days, all the days. Yes. 1 year is how many days children? It is 365 days. So 365 days if he was called, then how much salary will he get? So now what to do? Yes. Can you guess what to do? It is found for 28 days here. It is 4,620 rupees we got. If he comes for 365 days, then how much will be paid? That is rupees 165 per day his salary is multiplied with 365 as 1 year contains 365 days. Now how do we multiply 165 into 365? So far we have discussed only the multiplication of 2-digit numbers. Now the multiplication of 3-digit numbers, here it is 365 is having 3 digits. Here 165 is having 3 digits, but here we have 28 2 digits are there. Now how to multiply 365 number? That is 165 into 365. So Bayes explained only 2 digits. Is it applicable for 3 digits? Yes, it is also applicable for 3 digits. Now you see 365, how can we write it as? 365 as 300 plus 60 plus 5. 300 plus 60 plus 5. Now multiply. First step it is 165 is multiplied with 5. Second step 165 is multiplied with 60 and 165 is multiplied with what? 300. So like this we multiply, then we will add all the products. That product will give his salary for 1 year. So multiply with 5. 5 5s are 25. 2 is there. 5 6s are 30 plus 2. 32. 3 is there. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. Then multiply 165 with 60. 60 0 is there. Keep here 0. Then multiply 6, 6 5s are 30, 3 is there, 6 6 are 36 plus 3 it is 39, 3 is there, 6 1s are 6 plus 3 it is 9, 9900. Then 165 is multiplied with 300. Here 2 zeros are there, so keep 1, 2 zeros. Then multiply 165 with 3. 3 5s are 15, 1 is there. 3 6s are 18 plus 1, 19. 3 1s are 3 plus 1, it is 4. Now add all these numbers, we get this total salary for 1 year. This 5 plus 0 plus 0 it is 5, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 0 it is 2. Now 8 plus 9 17, 17 plus 5 22. So 2 here and here it is 2. 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20. So keep 2 here and it is 0. 4 plus 2 it is 6. So what it is, salary it is 60,225 rupees is his salary he will get for 1 year. Therefore he will his salary he will get rupees 60,225 for the whole year. He will get rupees 60,225 for the year. So like this we will find the multiplication. So this is one method of multiplication, Bellow's method. So where we will find the products by splitting the numbers and we can find the products. Is it clear, children?